So what I'm going to explain you today is how do you rationalize the denominator of a surd. So let's say you've got this surd here, right? Now you've got 2 plus root 3 in the bottom, correct? Now how rationalizing the denominator actually means you remove the surdy bit out from the denominator. That's the whole agenda. Rationalize. Square roots are irrational numbers. So you have to rationalize it. You have to remove the square root stuff from the denominator. So what are we doing here? So if you've got something like this, the stock standard way of doing it is that you pick up the same term, but you just flip the middle sign to its opposite. When I say opposite, it means plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So what we are doing here is we take and keep the two terms as is. 2, you got a plus, flip it, minus root. Now why on earth are we doing it is an important question. The reason why I'm doing it is let's just combine the numerators and the denominators and see how we go. This is how one wave combined will become, right? The fraction, the surd will become. Look at the bottom part. Bottom part is very similar to the algebraic formula of a plus b, a minus b, where a is 2, so a is 2, and b is 3, root 3, root 3. All right. So now what is a plus b, a minus b? Algebraically, it is difference of product square. So it is a square minus b square. So let's do that here. So on the top, I will just use the distributive law of algebra. So root 2 times 2 becomes 2 root 2 minus root 2 times root 3 becomes root 6 over, this is a square minus b square. A was 2, so a square minus b square. So what I've finally converted the denominator to, 2 square is 4, root 3 square, root 3 is 3 raised to the power of half times 2, half cancel, it becomes 3 raised to the power 1, which is 3. And we know that whenever a square and a root comes together, they basically cancel each other, but then that's how they cancel each other. So root 3 square becomes 3. So finally, what does this become? Oh, 1. You see, you've rationalized the denominator. You removed the surd part out, the root, the square root part out, or a fractional index out of the denominator. So your final answer is, that's your final answer. And that is how you rationalize a denominator. Now, if this would have been a minus here, no problem. We would have a plus here. We would have converted this to plus. Still at the bottom, you would have landed the same spot. In the denominator, you would be doing the same thing. It will still be a plus b, a minus b. So the golden rule is whatever this sign is, you change the positive to negative or negative to positive so that you use the algebraic difference of product square technique to rationalize the denominator. Hope this was useful.